50% US tariffs, India's export shock. The US just slapped 50% tariffs on Indian goods. Exports are falling, but some industries are quietly finding new lifelines. Here's what's really happening. US tariffs kicked in on August 27, and the impact is now showing up in September to October export data. Gems and jewelry exports to the US crashed 76% in September. Auto components to the US? Down 12%. Sports goods and cotton garments also slipped as the US market dried up. But here's the twist, exports didn't collapse. Why? Indian exporters rerouted shipments to Asia, the Middle East and Europe. Gems and jewelry exports to the UAE jumped 79%, Hong Kong 11%, Belgium 8%, keeping overall exports almost flat. Auto component exports rose 8% thanks to Germany, the UAE and Thailand. Marine exports, up 25% in September and 11% in October, fueled by China, plus 60%, Japan, plus 37%, Thailand, plus 70%, and the EU. Some categories reinvented their markets overnight. Not all sectors found a lifeline. Leather footwear exports fell 10%, cotton garments slid 6%, sports goods dropped 6%. These industries depend heavily on the US and can't replace that demand quickly. Officials warn exporters not to slash prices. Discounting may hurt India's long-term brand power. Shrimp exports worth $4.88 billion. 65% of India's seafood exports face thin margins and rising competition from countries like Indonesia and Ecuador, which pay just 15 to 19% US tariffs. To help, the government has rolled out 45,060 crore rupees support, including 20,000 crore rupees credit guarantees. Data suggests a silent rerouting game. US imports of pearls and stones from Australia jumped from 2% to 9%. Hong Kong doubled its share. Container traffic from Indonesia, Thailand, Vietnam is rising even as India's US-bound shipments fell 18.4%. Are Indian exports reaching America through third countries? Officials aren't saying it, but the data is. Follow for more trade and market insights.